How I got my YouTube channel monetized in 20 days. And this is not a clickbait because I'm going to be showing you the whole process of how I took my channel from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers, within 20 days. And in order to get monetized, you must hit the basic threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And I got the 1,000 subscribers done in 20 days. And the 4,000 watch hours was actually easier because I got this done in 2 weeks. 2 weeks, which is 14 to 15 days, was how long it took me to get the 4,000 watch hour done. And the normal time of YouTubers to get this done, some people use 6 months, some people use 3 months, but I'm telling you now, there is a new way of getting this done. You don't have to spend a lifetime trying to get your channel monetized. This is not an illegal way, or this doesn't involve buying of views or using bots. None of those. We are going to learn the new way of hacking the YouTube algorithm in order for you to get monetized as soon as possible. So welcome to this channel. In this channel, I teach you on how to monetize your YouTube channel. And I have a goal of making 50 people monetize and even start making their first $1,000 on YouTube. So hence why I'll be posting videos on how to find your way on YouTube on this channel. So if you are interested in that, and if you have not made $1,000 or 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, then if you want to up your YouTube game this year, then you can kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video after watching the video. So before I show you the steps to get your channel monetized quickly, you might be wondering how I know all these things, and you might be wondering why I'm telling you to get monetized quickly on YouTube is not by luck, but it's by plan, it's by how you do things yourself. It's because I've been a YouTuber for 3 years plus, almost 4 years now, and I started the YouTube journey years ago. And in this time, personally, I've gotten more than 4 channels monetized for myself, and for a lot of persons, I've gotten more than 50 channels monetized. Even apart from the 4 channels I got monetized, I've tried so many niche on YouTube. Tried the likes of movie recap, I've tried the likes of sports niche, and I'm going to be sharing my experiences with you, and I'm going to make sure you don't make the same mistake I made when starting the YouTube business, because of course I would want you to treat this as a business. Anything making you above $1,000 a month, then you should take it as a serious business, which we are going to be doing right here. So in order for you to get your channel monetized quickly, or like me, 20 days, there are some steps I'm going to be taking you through, and the first of them is picking a niche. Now, a lot of beginner YouTubers, this is where they get it wrong. They don't pick a niche. Well, if you want to do trial by error, posting for months and months and months before you get monetized, then you can decide to post different videos from different niches. But if you want to get monetized as quickly as possible, then you have to make sure you pick a particular niche. Now, the problem I see with some beginner YouTubers is they fail to pick a niche. You see some YouTubers today posting vlogs. From vlogs, they post about sports, they post about music, they post about different things. And this is not going to create a certain audience for you. And being a YouTuber or having a particular channel, one thing you want to take note of, or one thing you want to achieve, is getting a particular audience. And what can help you get a streamlined audience is picking a specific niche from the start. Now, there are 4 things that influences you in picking a niche. First off, audience. Next, interest. We have CPM or RPM. Then we have quality. Now, the first 2 is what I would really want you to look out for. First of all, audience. Like I've spoken about before, you have to pick a specific audience. Not picking a specific audience is the first mistake you will make when starting a YouTube channel. So when you post a video and let's say you have 50 subscribers, what the YouTube system, or the algorithm as we call it, what they do is to send the video you post to your 50 subscribers. And if they send the videos to your subscribers, like the people already subscribed to your channel, they send the videos to them and they watch the video to a large extent and they like the video, then the YouTube algorithm and the YouTube system will understand that this is an actually good video. And knowing that it's a good video, it will then push it to more people in that audience or in that niche. But in a situation where you are posting different videos, you are posting sport videos today, you are posting vlogging today, you are posting you traveling here and there tomorrow or whatever, Then for example, you have the first 50 people on your channel subscribe because you are a vlogger. Then next you are posting a music video, they will not be interested, so YouTube will suggest that that video is not a good video. Hence why you see that a lot of people, maybe they post their first video on YouTube, they get a lot of views, then after that first video they just see their views dropping down drastically. Things like that is what causes the drop in views. So you don't want to make that mistake. Get a specific audience. Then next, in choosing a niche, you have to find your interest. Finding your interest is very important because a lot of people just start this YouTube thing, start with the mind of making money, which is basic and which is okay. But if you are not interested in it, then there is no way you will excel. Presently or personally, if I want to start a sports channel, the sports channel I'm certainly going to start is on football. I don't see myself starting a sports channel on basketball because I don't have any interest on basketball, and it's going to be hard to build a basketball channel because you don't know the in and out of basketball. If I was to start a football channel, I know, to get a lot of subscribers or to get a lot of views, I will just have to do a video on maybe Messi or Ronaldo, or maybe now Mbappe going to Real Madrid. I will just do a video on that and I will get a lot of views. But there is no way I will have the knowledge in that because I'm not interested in basketball. I don't watch basketball, so there was no way I will know the in and out on basketball. Same thing goes to those working in a health sector. If you are working in a health sector and you want to create a music celebrity gist channel, and first of all, you are not interested in music, you don't know the latest artists. I'm from Nigeria, so if you are being told name the top 5 artists in the country, you cannot name them, and you say you want to go into a celebrity gist channel, then it's not going to work out for you because you don't know what works in that particular niche. So that's why it's very important you niche down your channel based on your interest. Then these last two I'm going to be naming, it's a little bit for the pro, but it's also good if you take this into consideration. CPM, RPM. I know we have heard about this every time. So this is the amount of money each niche pay you. First of all, if you are in the entertainment niche, it's different from what they'll pay you in the sports niche. It's different from what you'll be paid in health niche. It's different from what you'll be paid in make money online niche or make money on YouTube niche like I am right now. So this video you are watching, the specific niche I chose is the make money online niche. Under make money online niche, I just niche down to making money on YouTube. So that's the niche, and probably you watching this video, when you see this video and I post another video, you will be more interested in watching that other video. Hence why niching down is very important. Then the fourth one you want to take note of is quality. And quality is something that is very important, and a lot of people look down on quality. But why I said this is a little bit for the pro, because if you don't have a basic idea of video editing and some other basic skills you need to run your YouTube channel, then you cannot meet up the quality other channels are having. And this is why I'm telling you, as a beginner YouTuber, you have to prioritize quantity over quality, because the only way you can start mashing up other people's quality is by posting a whole lot of videos. I understand you will see a lot of big YouTubers out there telling you you have to make a very good video and make a very engaging video, the likes of Mr. Beast, talking about making a very good video that can give you 5 million views at a stretch. But you beginning as a YouTuber, there is no way you will meet that kind of quality from the start. So you just have to prioritize quantity, because the more you do all these things over and over again, then you can improve on your quality, then get to where you ought to be, rating yourself with the YouTubers in your niche. So these are the things you look out for in picking a niche. So after picking a niche, next thing you want to look out for is plan and research. Planning and research is a very important key in starting a YouTube channel, because this is where small YouTubers make mistakes because they don't plan and research. Now under plan and research, there is 2 things I want you to do. First of all, you get 10 channels that are already in your niche. 10 channels are already in your niche. 5 of those channels should be more than 30,000 subscribers, and the other 5 should be below 30,000 subscribers. Now, how can you get these channels on your niche? This is what you should do. You get a keyword on the niche. If, for example, you are on the health niche, you know what your keyword is. But right now, this niche I am on is make money on YouTube. So I can just go on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me 20 keywords on make money on YouTube channel. So you can see what ChatGPT just did. They just gave me 20 keywords on make money on YouTube channel. So what I want to do right now is to pick from these keywords and place them on my YouTube search, for example, the number one keyword right here is YouTube monetization. So let's put that on the YouTube search. So right now you can see that under YouTube monetization, it shows me different channels. Now this is for the kind of channel I'm doing, which is make money on YouTube, or how to monetize your YouTube channel niche. This is my niche. So you are going to choose your niche and do the same process in order to look for 10 channels. Like I said, look for at least 10 channels, 5 above 30,000 subscribers and 5 below 30,000 subscribers. So when you are done with this process, the next thing you want to do is to move to the next process, which is create a good video idea. Now this is where a lot of small YouTubers get it wrong, because they tend to create video ideas from their head. And being a YouTuber for years, one of the things I've learned on YouTube is never you create an idea from your head. Don't create an idea from your head. Instead, create your YouTube ideas, especially when you are starting a YouTube channel. Create your YouTube ideas from other existing videos on YouTube. In fact, most of the time, taking ideas from what is trending on Twitter or what is trending on Instagram doesn't work on YouTube. It can work, but the probability is low compared to taking video ideas from YouTube itself. So that's one of the mistakes you want to correct as a small YouTuber, taking your ideas from YouTube itself. So this is one channel I really love watching on my niche, and mind you, you have to check on channels on your niche. Don't come to my niche to search for channel except you are thinking of jumping into this specific niche. So these are channels you see right here. So on how to look for good video ideas, there's one way I'm going to be showing you. It works like crazy, and this way is just to search for videos this particular creator have made. You search for videos he has made and search for videos that did way better than the typical videos he posts on his channel. So let's see how this works. Now if you look at this particular channel, you see that this video he did 3 weeks ago got 100k views. This one he did 4 weeks ago got 34,000 views. So I don't want to go with this particular style of video. This one he did got 62,000 views. So you could see his typical views is in between 50 to 100,000 views. But there was one he did just 3 months ago, and this particular one got over 400,000 views. And this is what we have right here. How to grow a YouTube channel from 0 subs in 2024. And you can see this video has 428,000 views, which does more than the typical amount of views he gets on his channel. Then seeing this now, you know this is something you want to jump into. And this is how to look for video ideas. So when I told you get 5 channels above 30,000 subscribers and 5 channels below 30,000 subscribers, this is what you do with all those channels you have gotten. And you can get more than 5 channels. It's not compulsory that it must be 5 channels, but I'm just telling you, basically it should be 10 channels. At least it should be 10 channels. So when you are done with that, the next thing you want to do is to get titles and thumbnails. And I can tell you for free, YouTube titles and thumbnails, in my experience so far, they are the most important things. It's even more important than having a very good video. I know making a good video is very important. You must make your video engaging and all sorts. Now the next thing you want to do is getting a title and thumbnail. And I can tell you this for free, that the most important thing or the most important process on YouTube is getting a good title and a good thumbnail. And in getting a good title and thumbnail is still the same thing with getting a good video idea, because you know the video idea you get, you just model the title and model the thumbnail. If you see a particular thumbnail that works very well, you just get to model it. And that's something that works on YouTube. If you try to be new from the start, create ideas from your head and stuff like that, it might take a long period of time before people get used to your particular style of thumbnails. But if you just remodel thumbnails that have been done before, in fact that is what a lot of people do on YouTube. In fact, the likes of Mr. Beast, as big as he is, till now he still remodels title and remodels thumbnail for his videos. So that's what you want to achieve. You remodel your title and remodel your thumbnail for your videos. And in some of my next video, I'll be teaching you how to make good thumbnails with Canva. You don't have to invest in expensive softwares like Photoshop and others. You can do your thumbnails perfectly with Canva. So with my experiences in YouTube, I've gotten millions of views on my specific videos, and everything I've done is just to edit with Canva. And I'm also going to be teaching you in coming videos on how to edit good thumbnails on Canva, even as a beginner. So like I said, model what works on YouTube. It's very important. So if I'm to choose a particular title or thumbnail, I saw that this particular thumbnail style he did here got him a lot of views, then I might just try to model this particular thumbnail in making my next video. How to grow a YouTube channel from 0 subs in 2024, full course. So I might just change this to what works and do something like this in my next video. Then also taking the same title he used but modeling it a little bit, probably making it more engaging or something like that. How to grow a YouTube channel from 0 subs in 2024. Like the reason you clicked this video was how I monetized my channel in 20 days. And that's what I'm leading you through, the processes I took to monetize my channel in 20 days. So you can see this works right now. Then the 5th step you want to take is retaining your viewers or retaining your audience. This is very important, and this is what can make your channel blow up the quickest. Retaining your audience. Now in retaining your audience, first of all, there is a principle I follow, which is the 5 video principle. 5 video principle is you posting your first 5 videos. In fact, before you start the channel, before you even start posting any video, you must get 5 videos ready, and these 5 videos, they must be linked to each other in a way that somebody that watched this particular video, when you make another video, the person can also go there and watch it. Like this, my specific video you are watching right now is how I got monetized in 20 days, and my next video might be how to grow your YouTube channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, or the next video might be 20 niches to choose from to pay you huge sum of money in the next 30 days. Now if you have been interested and you enjoyed this video, the probability of you watching my next video is very high. That is why you have to retain your audience and create 5 videos that are linking to each other before you even start posting the 5. So when you have created the 5 videos, what you do is you post them and schedule them. And in my coming videos, definitely I'm going to be showing you how to do all those things live, how to create a channel, how to post video, how to schedule a video. I'm going to be showing you how to do all those things live. So that's what you ought to do. You post them and schedule them. And me personally, what has worked for me is I post them and give them 2 days intervals. So I post my first video today, and day after tomorrow I post the next video in that rate till I post the 5 videos. Then after I post the 5 videos, I give it a time for the videos to move, and that is what has worked for me over and over again, and it has helped me monetize a lot of channels. So in retaining your audience, the next thing you want to take advantage of on YouTube is your end screen and your cards. This is what a lot of people don't use on YouTube, and I tell you from experience, this works like magic. Using your end screen, like directing your audience to the next video on your end screen, is very important. That's what you should take note of, and that's what you should take advantage of. And also on your card. So those are 2 things you should take advantage of on YouTube: your card and your end screen. And I tell you, if you are able to follow these processes or these steps while making your YouTube channel, you'll be able to get your channel monetized as quick as possible. Now a lot of new YouTubers have a particular problem of finding a niche, which is the number 1 step on the 5 steps to getting your channel monetized. They have a problem of finding a niche, and if you click this video on the left on the end screen, you are going to see 20 niches you can jump into as a new YouTuber and start making a huge sum of money.